In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Shopify from AutoDS. If you're looking to speed up your product sourcing and listing process, connecting AutoDS to your Shopify store is a simple way to get there. I'll walk you through the flow from opening your AutoDS account to adding products, and I'll share helpful context so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. Start by opening your AutoDS account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard so everything is easy to find. It helps to have a stable internet connection and, if possible, keep your Shopify admin open in another tab so you can quickly verify that everything syncs correctly. On the AutoDS dashboard, look for the option to add a store. Click Add Store, then select Shopify from the available platforms. Choosing Shopify tells AutoDS which platform you want to connect and prepares the right integration steps. When you select Shopify, AutoDS will guide you to open it so the two platforms can talk to each other securely. You may see a prompt or a redirect to confirm the connection. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to approve the integration and wait a moment for AutoDS to sync your store. If you manage multiple Shopify stores, take a second to confirm you're connecting the right one to avoid confusion later. Once the connection is set, you're ready to start adding products. Back in AutoDS, head to the Products area and click Add Products. This is the central command for bringing new items into your Shopify store through AutoDS. Give the page a moment to load. This is where AutoDS prepares the product import process and displays the tools you'll use to bring your listings in. As you proceed, keep an eye on on-screen confirmations from AutoDS. The platform is designed to guide you with clear prompts, and it will let you know when the product import begins and when it completes. If you're working with a large set of items, be patient. Imports can take a little time depending on your internet speed and the number of products you're adding. After clicking Add Products, it's a good habit to keep your dashboard open and watch for any status messages so you can be confident your items are on their way to your Shopify store. And that's the entire flow. Open your AutoDS account, add your Shopify store, and then click Add Products to start bringing your items in. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, follow the same process anytime you connect a new Shopify store or want to quickly scale your product catalog using AutoDS.